When the drill bit reached 1,500 meters underground, the site workers suddenly noticed something strange. Not only was a large amount of white smoke emerging from below, but they could also smell an odd, irritating odor. Someone suspected they had hit methane in the rock layers and suggested stopping the exploration immediately. However, the female boss ignored these warnings and insisted that her subordinates restart the machine. As soon as the machine began working, a terrifying scream emanated from underground. Witnessing this eerie scene, the boss reluctantly chose to temporarily halt the drilling operation. When they pulled the drill bit up from the ground, they discovered something bloody and mangled stuck to it. A nearby professor carefully took a sample with a cotton swab and was horrified to find that this substance wasn't tissue from any known organism. To prevent harming protected species, they decided to excavate the surrounding permafrost. Halfway through digging, workers urgently called for them to stop because they had found a cocoon-wrapped corpse that emitted a nauseating smell. Just as everyone was trying to get a closer look, an arm suddenly extended outward. The cocoon-wrapped body had come back to life. He opened his mouth, crying for help, and speaking in a strange language. At first, the workers thought the man had been buried alive underground. However, as they were about to question him about his origins, a black tentacle suddenly emerged from his nose. The movement was so quick that only the professor, who was closest, saw it. This bizarre occurrence made them realize this matter was extremely serious. The professor decided to draw a vial of blood for research, but as they prepared to act, another tentacle extended from the man's ear. Almost everyone saw it this time, except for the worker standing behind him. After everyone left, the worker brought some bread, intending to give the man something to eat. Unexpectedly, the man suddenly grabbed the worker's throat, pinned him to the ground, and the mysterious tentacles quickly entered the worker's mouth. The previously animated man had now decayed into a horrifying mummified corpse. This suspenseful and thrilling film is called Hellhole.